Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing on with our operator series. We're going to be looking at concat, contains, and CountOf. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos. And if you notice, these are all having to do with sequences. So let's just get after it. So when I say micro videos, I mean one subject matter at a time. And if you haven't noticed yet, you will. I have a hard time typing and talking at the same time. Operator, or as, because if you've been around, you'll know that I'm about to say this is not a spelling channel. That was probably one of my weakest weaknesses. All right, so the operator module, and we are going to look at concat help op.concat. Okay, that and that. Then op help op.contain. You can kind of, oops, what did I spell wrong? Is it contains? Let's see if I can find it. Contains. All right. And then, okay, so and this is super important. So we always, in these scenarios, it's A and B, but as B in A. So you're checking for B in A. And then the same thing of count. Help. op.countOf. And let's see what else. I always forget that that's capital. All right, return the number of items. B occurs in A. So these are pretty explanatory. You might say, but why do we need concat? So to give you, to remind you, if you have not seen the video series on the calculator, or if you were over on our, or if you've joined us from our stream over on Free Code Camp, when we were building our function for our text, when we were doing our evaluate function, we had to create a function and then drop that into our command for every time that we pressed a button, right? Well, we wouldn't need to do and create a function or a lambda. We just drop this in for that command and we would just move on from there. But here, we'll just do A, E, I, O, U. Let's just do this for I in val. Let's get a empty string. For I in V. Then E equals OP dot. Make sure you can see that. Okay. Concat. Then I pass. Then I'm adding I. Then I'm reassigning that. And I call E. And I've literally pulled all of these through just with this very simple concatenation, and don't have to create a function. Just throw it in there and I have my return, and bam. So there we go, guys. We just did three more. Well, here, how about we look at contain and CountOf. Oh, and also I just kind of realized, make sure you're staying tuned till the end to see the cards that suggest videos that you may not have seen. Because if you're paying attention, this is the 801st, I think. I think yesterday was 800. So there is likely videos that you have not seen. There's only a couple people that have really been pushing through. One of them's on about 500 right now. And I've lost track of the other person. They've stopped commenting and giving me updates. But I know that's a lot of videos because I've been doing this for a long time, and trust me, I know it's a lot of videos. So, all right, we were going to do contain. Let's get A and B. We'll just do A. We go 1, 2, 3. And then B. We'll just go, yeah. So, OP dot contains, pass it a function, and we go, so it's A, B. True. Pretty simple. So let's just go 4. False. That's pretty self-explanatory. And then CountOf. Let's get this. 1, 2, 2. Thank you for being patient. Should have had those copied. So then op dot count, capital O, F, and A, and then B. Close that out. 1. Oh yeah, let's change this, and then we'll just do 1. And boom, we got 3. So 3 more awesome functions from our operator modules. So please drop any comments, questions, video requests. And like I was saying, make sure you're staying tuned till the end and checking out those videos. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.